The aim of this practical is to measure the prism angle and the angle of deviation using spectrometer. The apparatus needed are prism, spectrometer, white sheet and hand lens. Let's see the procedure. First, the eyepiece is adjusted till we see the crosswire clearly. Then the telescope is adjusted until the distant object is clearly seen at the crosswire. Then the telescope is adjusted so as to gain the parallel rays. After that, the collimator have to be adjusted so as to release parallel light rays. To do this adjustment, the collimator and telescope have to be kept in a straight line. As it is shown here, the prism has to be adjusted. Then the slit will be observed through the telescope. If it is not symmetrical, then it will be adjusted by screws to be symmetrical. Then, by using screw X, the image of the slit will be adjusted and observed through the telescope. At this stage, the prism table is adjusted. Through this practical, the prism angle and the angle of deviation can be measured.